Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted photos on your Android phone, even if you think they're gone for good. If you've been searching for how to recover deleted photos on Android in 2025, you're in the right place. We'll be using an amazing app called iRecovery that makes the whole process super simple. Now, iRecovery is an app that can bring back permanently deleted photos on Android devices. So, even if you've deleted photos and cleared them from your trash or gallery and you don't have a backup, don't worry. You can still recover them using this app. It works on all Android versions, and I'll walk you through each step. Head over to the website shown in the pinned comment below this video. You'll find the download link there. Once you're on the site, just follow the on-screen instructions to install the app on your phone. No root access is needed, and once it's installed, you'll be able to start recovering your deleted photos right away. If you try this method, drop a comment below and let me know if it worked for you. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tutorials and updates.